So here we are, room 14, St Giles House, Norwich. Air conditioning unit just as we walk in the door. A little hallway, and I'll show you the bathroom first. So the bathroom, lovely radiator on the wall, lovely big sink with the mirror above, really big shower. And if Tim, what would be Tim was here, he'd be saying probably 4 to 6 people in there. Lovely, nice and clean shower. It's a newly refurbished room and the toilet. Really nice tiling all the way around. And we'll come out and we'll turn left into the bedroom. We've got Rachel sat in the corner. We have on this side of the room we have a desk table type thing with tea, coffee making facilities and complimentary water, one sparkling, one still. There's a spare fan in case it gets too hot. It has been muggy in Norfolk the last few days. Some drawers there and hanging space for clothing. The side of the bed we have a little table and a huge bed with a fab headboard, really plush. Again, there's another bedside table, another mirror in the corner. There we go. And as we come round, there's the TV on its own little stand, fairly big TV as well. I'm going to go past Rachel, who's sat in a lovely leather chair, and I'm going to open the balcony. So going out on the balcony, we have some views of Norwich. It's a bit limited because of being in the city centre, but actually if you pan all the way around you can just about see the cathedral over there. St Giles House, Norwich. Very different to our last stay. Our last stay last year was what was probably called a hotel nightmare. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you.